Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to find the limit of this function, and we have a limit x approach to 2 square root x minus square root 2 over x minus 2. So let's start. It's given that x approach to 2. So in the first step, this question is a limit x approach to 2 square root x minus square root 2 over x minus 2. Directly put the limit. So this will become a square root 2 minus, this is a square root 2 over x approach to 2. So here we write a 2 minus 2. So square root 2 minus square root 2 is a 0 and 2 minus 2 is a 0. So we get a 0 over 0 form, which is undefined form in a limit. So let's try to solve this question with another method. So the question is a limit x approach to 2 square root x minus square root 2 over x minus 2. Now multiply and divide this by square root x plus square root 2 over square root x plus square root 2. Multiply this, then we get a limit x approach to 2 square root x minus square root 2 multiply square root x plus square root 2. And the denominator is a x minus 2 multiply square root x plus square root 2. Now in the numerator, look, we apply this identity, which is a minus b multiply a plus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. So you apply this identity denominator, then this will become the limit is x approach to 2, denominator will become when we use this identity, square root x whole square minus square root 2 whole square, and the denominator we copy this x minus 2 multiply square root x plus 2. Now this square and square root will cancel, we just get a x minus this square and square root will cancel, we just get a 2 over, we copy the denominator, this is x minus 2 multiply square root x plus square root 2. Now this x minus 2 and x minus 2 will cancel, we just get a limit x approach to 1 over square root x plus square root 2. Now we apply the limit on this function. So this will become a 1 over x approach to 2. So here we write a 2 plus square root 2. And this will become a 1 over 2 times square root 2. So this is the limit of our function. So limit x approach to 2 square root x minus square root 2 over x minus 2. This is equal to 1 over 2 times square root 2. And we have done. Thank you.